all of this is from me, from the cut to the dye job. Ignore my hands because they just takes away a little bit of my credibility. But hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashanti, and y'all, I'm so happy because it looked like your girl just left the hair salon. Like literally, like from the dye job to the cut to this silk press, like literally looked like I just left the hair salon and I did all this right here in my bedroom. So if y'all want to see how I got this salon quality silk press, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so I didn't really talk to y'all like before I got started because I was originally planning on doing my hair in Micah's bathroom. And then y'all, when I got up in the, why the plug don't work? So definitely finna have to call the maintenance people. But I just came in and just blow dry my hair the way I normally do. So I went in with the tension method, and then of course I went in with my dimming brush and detangled. And the products that I use are this Ethnicity leave-in plus keratin. So that's what that looks like. And then I went in with this John Frieda Frizz Ease. I just applied it to my hair while it was still wet, and then of course blow dried it like regular. That way like the heat from the blow dryer could kind of like penetrate and like work the product deeper into my hair. So between blow drying and straightening, I do like to like wait a little bit to let my hair cool down completely. But it's currently 3 a.m. so we gonna have to pick back up in the morning. So I will see y'all then. And also, of course, whatever products I'm using will be linked down below in the description box. So if y'all have any questions about anything that I'm using, just refer back to there. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and did the back section of my hair off camera. That way, like, I could do this front half and y'all could see it a little bit better. But looking very cute, very silky, lots of volume and movement. So we doing good so far. So when I get to whatever section of hair I'm about to do, I try to keep the parts really small that I'm straightening. That way I only have to do one pass through. And like I'm using a 1-inch flat iron, so I can't do a lot at a time. So this is about the size sections that I've been using. And I haven't added any more product to my hair. I just still have the same stuff on it that I used before I blow dried last night. Whenever I'm like silk pressing or straightening my hair, I try not to add a lot of product because that kind of is what like weighs it down and takes all the volume and stuff out of your hair. So I just take my rat tail comb, make sure everything is fully detangled because I am going to be doing the chase method. And I have this Red Tool Science flat iron that I got from Sally's, and I have it on 410 degrees. It goes up to 450, but I'm gonna just go ahead and hit my roots like 2 to 3 times and then do one pass through. And doing one pass through is how I save myself the heat damage, because I think we all know between blow drying and flat ironing, the flat iron will definitely do like way more damage. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all how I do it one more time, and then I'm gonna speed everything up, because I don't want to sit here and just be doing the same thing over and over when I'm sure y'all get my riff, like y'all get what I'm doing. Okay, so again, just grabbing my section, detangling it from the ends up, hitting my roots, and one pass through. I don't know if y'all can see like how shiny my hair is looking already, but like, let me turn my head a little bit. Oh my God. I'm so glad I cut my hair. It looks like way more healthier. And I just love having short hair anyway. So glad I did that. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with half of my head. So, oh my God, it's looking so good, so shiny. I don't know if y'all can see, but let me try to, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the second half of my hair off camera, and then when I'm done straightening, I'm gonna come back and show y'all like what I do to like add just a little more shine to my hair and take out the flyaways. So I'll be back in about 20 minutes. Oh my God, y'all, look how freaking shiny and silky my hair looks. Okay, so I just finished the other half, and I'm just about to quickly go in and take like a few pieces here in the front, because I kind of want my hair to have like that bumped under type of look. So I'm gonna just take a few like bigger sections, because this is not to so much focus like on the straightness of my hair, but just like how I want the ends to look. And I'm gonna just take it and kind of curve the flat iron in. Oh my God, y'all, I did that. And I don't think I've ever straightened my hair this fast, because I'm late going somewhere and I don't want to hit my mama's mouth. So, well, I'm not late. Let me not even speak that, but I don't want to be late. So, I am pushing it. Oh my God. So, y'all, as y'all can see, my hair came out looking so good, so silky. Like, ooh, no frizz. Like, do y'all see this? Oh my God. Okay, so let me show y'all what I like to add once I'm done. I have this Organics Nourishing Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Mist, and I really do prefer the argan oil one, but y'all, for some reason I can't find it nowhere. The only place I can find it is Amazon for $30 a bottle. And guess who ain't finna do that? Oh, okay. So I'm gonna just take like a few spritz over my hair. I'm not gonna hold it like directly because I don't want to like make my hair look super oily, but just like to add a little bit of shine. I'm not even sure that I really need it, but I also want my hair to smell good, and it smells good. So then I'm gonna just rub it in with my hands. Oh my God, y'all. My hair came out so good. And then, I don't know if y'all can see, but like I have a few little flyaways like up by the roots of my hair, like by my part. Y'all can't really see it on camera, but I can. So, what I like to do when I have like the little flyaways is I just take a little bit of this Got To Be Glue-Free spray. Like a tiny bit. I spray it directly on my hand, and then I just rub my hands together and hit it like that. So I'm about to do that real quick and we'll be done. Oh my God, my hair looks like so good. Bro, let me hurry up so I can get out of this house. Okay. Okay. So once I do that, I am all done. Oh my God, like I can, like y'all, I literally look like I just left the hair salon. Like, girl, I just really can't believe it. Like, y'all, all of this is from me, from the cut to the dye job. Ignore my hands because they just takes away a little bit of my credibility. But from the cut to the dye job to like the silkiness, oh my God, I did that. Like, I'm not even hyping myself. I did that. So, oh my God, it just looks so good. I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder. Like, I know I'm not even looking at the lens because I'm looking at myself. But y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Hopefully I introduced y'all to some new products. Y'all know that's always my goal, to show y'all a new product or technique. So everything will be linked down below in the description box. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.